In this video, you'll learn how to add a DNS record on Cloudflare. By following these instructions, you will be able to manage your domain's DNS settings effectively. Begin by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Cloudflare URL. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Cloudflare account. After entering the credentials, click the login button to access your account. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at your account homepage. Here you will see an overview of your domains listed. To proceed, look for the option labeled Account Home and click on it. This action will direct you to a more detailed view of your account settings. Next, find and click on the domain section within the Account Home. This will display a list of all domains associated with your account. Select the domain for which you want to add a DNS record by clicking on it. This selection will take you to the domains overview page. After selecting your domain, you will see several options on the left sidebar. Click on the DNS option. This will bring you to the DNS management page where you can view existing records and add new ones. You may notice a list of current DNS records displayed on this page. To add a new DNS record, look for the button labeled Add Record and click it. A form will appear allowing you to specify the details of the new DNS record. Be mindful of the specific type of record you wish to create, such as A, CNAME, or TXT. Each type serves different purposes and has different requirements. Once you have filled out the necessary fields for the DNS record, you will need to review your entries to ensure accuracy. After confirming that all information is correct, click on the Save button to finalize the addition of the record. It is important to note that changes to DNS settings can take some time to propagate globally, typically within a few minutes. After saving the new record, you can utilize the Search DNS Records feature to check if your new record appears in the list. This action verifies that your changes have been successfully applied. Additionally, you can click on Record Attributes for detailed information about each DNS record. If you wish to learn more or try adding a DNS record yourself, links to helpful resources are provided in the description and pinned comment below. This guide has walked you through the essential steps for managing your DNS records on Cloudflare. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.